My name's John Arrington. I'm the chef here at the Root Cafe in downtown Little Rock. Root Cafe is a farm-to-table restaurant. We've been open coming up on our 10th year, I believe. We serve a lot of comfort food sourced from local producers. Today we're preparing a pork belly. It's served with cornmeal scallion rice cakes. Got a fried egg on there and a mustard green salsa verde. We'll put the pork belly on the grill, fat side down first. We want to start rendering the fat out. After a couple minutes, we'll flip it onto its side, start to get some browning on the sides. Once the initial side is brown, flip over, repeat the same thing on the other side. Once all the sides are nice and browned, we'll brush it with some of this maple sherry gas streak, get a little bit more caramelization on that. While the pork's cooking, we start the cornmeal rice cakes. Those just go down onto a greased flat top or a cast iron skillet if you have that. We know to flip them when they start to bubble on the exposed side. The batter for the cornmeal cakes, we start with a cup of War Eagle cornmeal flour. We add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of kosher salt. We have about 1 cup of chopped scallions. We intentionally overcook a ½ cup of rice. That's gonna go in there. Stir those ingredients together, then we're gonna add some lightly beaten eggs, a cup of buttermilk, and a tablespoon of butter. Whisk that all together till it's homogeneous. So we'll start this plate up with the mustard green salsa verde. We just blanch some mustard green, scallions, parsley, cornmeal rice cakes. We'll put 1 slice of pork belly and then cover it up a little bit with the fried egg. And then we'll place the other 2 slices of pork belly, just arrange it to look nice. And then a little bit of the salsa verde on top of the egg and around the dish. I really enjoy the pork belly the way we prepared it because it's cut a little bit thicker than say like a slice of bacon. The way we're grilling it, it gets a little bit crispy on the outside, and then when you bite in, the fat just kind of melts in your mouth, and it's really great.
One of my favorite things in the world, no doubt, is hanging out with chefs, especially ones that use these local amazing products like pastured or forested pork. So Chef John, do you like using that type of meat?
Absolutely. It's much better having like these nice heritage pigs that have a nice fat distribution, just overall more integrity to the meat.
Love it. So we got a lot of local right here, highlighted in many different ways. I think the Root has done an amazing job of pioneering the local food movement, especially in Central Arkansas. So definitely commend y'all. The food here, every single thing I've ever gotten is amazing. So thank y'all for supporting local and being amazing.
Thanks a lot.